Can you name these 10 nature objects just from their missing letters in 90 seconds? It is impossible to guess the last one. First one. Tree. Second one. Flower. Third one. Mountain. Like the video, if your answer first 3 correct. Fourth one. Rainbow. Fifth one. Cloud. Sixth one. Beach. Press the subscribe button for more daily quizzes. Seventh one. River. Eighth one. Forest. Ninth one. Waterfall. Get ready for your last question. Save this quiz. And don't forget to tell me your score in the comments. Last one. Drop your answer in the comments.